I've made over £240 this year doing absolutely nothing different. No side hustle, no extra hours, just using cashback sites like Quidco. The secret is simple. Before you buy anything online, always check what Quidco has to offer. So from a new pair of Nikes to your car insurance, you could earn cash back. Search for the brand on Quidco first. If they're a partner, click Get Cash Back and shop exactly like you usually would. Just look at my own Quidco account. I have £180 and 10 pence incoming or tracked, and I can withdraw £22 and 65 pence right now. These are all the different websites I've used to generate free cash, from Etsy to compare the market, from Temu to the fragrance counter. You can also see that altogether I have earned £3,875 doing this. That's basically a free holiday for the family. Quidco tracks the purchase and sends a percentage of your spend straight back into your account. It costs you zero, takes 10 seconds, and the money is real cash you can send to your bank. Stop leaving free money on the table. Link and code attached to this video. Check out my channel for a closer, in-depth view of this and all my other money-saving tips.